Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back with another Firewatch episode. And if you guys are saying, wow, you look the same, you didn't look like you changed. Yeah, well, it's because I'm recording all of this in the same day. So, that's why. But let's continue. We'll just continue where we left off, which is, believe we were... Oh, right here. Alright, so... where we left off, Julia is suffering from dementia. She's just having a hard time remembering everything. They try to take her from us and put her into a care facility full time, but we decided to take care of her. She left her job due to it. So that's where we're at now. Oh, look at deer. So that's where we're at. Okay. It is impossibly hard. The worst is when you get mad at her, like when she tries to cook her own food. You can't do anything without her, and she can't do anything without you. Wow, this is getting serious. When she goes to sleep, you stay up for a few hours, drinking on the deck, watching baseball in the summer, college basketball in the winter. Drinking then, too. You start going out after you put her to bed. The first time we do it, you worry about her getting up and walking around while you're gone. You put a chair in front of the bedroom door. You trust that she sleeps like a rock. Do I want to trust her? Or better to keep her safe. You go to the same bar at the boring end of Pearl Street. It's nice there. Over time, you tell Sheila, the bartender, everything. It's a huge weight off. You're home and in bed by 1 a.m. a couple of nights a week. You look forward to those nights. 1989. One night you're stopped at a DUI checkpoint. You blow a .0 and you're taken to jail for the night. You consider trying to hide it, but you tell your sister-in-law, Susan. Julia's parents take the next plane from Australia. They can't believe the state your house is in. Then they tell you Julia is coming to live with them. You don't argue. You say you'll visit soon. A few weeks go by. Summer is coming and you see an ad in the paper for a job. You take it. What's the job? I'm guessing, is our job the park ranger? Is that our job, the park ranger? Oh, wow. Apparently we've had a lot of time go by. Great graphics. The plants look a little weird considering they're just like kind of floating in a way. Like you can't even see the stems on them. I mean, you kind of can, but you kind of can't. Wow, this is a beautiful game. I like this game. Is this our job? Turn on the power. Oh.
Hello, Two Forks Tower.
Okay, hello.
Hello? Whoever
Oh,
is.
you actually speak. That's amazing.
It's Henry, right?
Yeah.
I'm Delilah.
Yeah, that's what the guy said on the phone.
So, what's wrong with you?
Excuse me?
People take this job to get away from something. So, what's wrong?
What's wrong with you?
That's a great idea. Go ahead.
Look, I just hiked for 2 days, so I don't really follow whatever it is you're doing right now.
You take a stab at what's wrong with me.
Fine, then can I sleep forever?
Sure, buddy. Okay, now go ahead.
You've killed 3 ex-husbands. You're rebelling against mom. Nobody back home can stand you.
Okay, you're probably out here because nobody back home can stand you. Which, after this brief introduction, is not a big shock.
Ouch. I'll chalk that up to you being tired and grumpy.
Well, I'd better get some sleep then.
One sec. Now it's my turn.
Okay, good night, bye.
Let's see. I don't know anything about you, but 9 times out of 10, folks out here simply got dumped.
Huh, is that it?
Close?
Good night.
Good night. Welcome to the job.
I knew it. We were part of the, yep. So the beginning was just a storyline up to what we're here. Now we're going to be doing more of the game mechanics part of it, which is this. Okay. Interesting enough. We'll be writing a novel while we're here?
Henry. Well, I guess good afternoon. You probably slept like a rock. Anyway, there's still a few hours of daylight to get some work in. I can see you at your desk, so call me when you're ready.
You can see me at my desk. Ooh. Excuse me? You can...
Hey, sorry, guess I slept in.
You got a relaxing, what, 14 hours of sleep? Whew.
Yeah, Jesus, I guess it's what, 6?
Is that her?
6:45.
Whoops.
That's her right there.
Don't worry about it. That hike puts
That's her.
everyone out of commission for a
That's
day
her
or
right
two.
there.
But
Right there.
now that you're up, let me quickly get you acquainted with the job. There's a thing in the middle of your room with a round map on it. Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
This is the Osborne Firefinder, invented in 1914 by W.B.
Osborne?
You use this to spot, you guessed it, What the fuck?
What is it?
Nothing. You use this to... Oh, fuck me!
Good God, language, lady.
Out your west-facing window. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are those fucking fireworks?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's not legal, right?
I saw 'em.
No. You need to get down there right now and stop them. Fire danger is through the fucking roof.
Is that really my job?
Your job is whatever I say it is. Look, the closest ranger is like 2 days away. Go down there and set him straight.
I was looking right.
Do you think you can handle that?
Do I write him a ticket?
Easy there, Dirty Harry.
Well,
Get going. You'll probably need a rope to get down the shale between you and the lake, if I remember right. There should be one in the supply box on the way. The code is 1234. It's actually that for all of them.
convenient.
That's one word for it.
Can we not bring our backpack with us? Wait, so what did we... So there's nothing in this room, so... Let's open the door. Oh, when I open the door, I will make... Okay. What? Okay, hold on. Seriously? So I want to go west. I'll go this way. It's nice so far, actually. I like it. I can hear the fireworks. Interesting. Alright guys, we're gonna leave this one off here. As you can see now, we have started the real campaign part of it. We are now trying to deal with fireworks. People setting off fireworks. Oh. So, as always guys, like and subscribe. We do more of these continuously, so stay tuned guys. Peace.